Good afternoon, everybody. Michael Sandoval, Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. I'm out here at this job. I'm extremely excited about this job. I hope you can hear it in my voice, the passion that goes with that. This is a really intricate job. It was really cool, though. We added this spa. This spa was not here, folks. We added this spa right here. All this travertine. You see all the travertine added. We've got automation. It's going to be automation back here. It's going to all be controlled by the touch of a button on their phone. They're going to control the lights. They're going to control the spillover, the spa spillover, the spa heat. We've got lights under these steps here to the raised area. We come up here. This was two separate areas where we had a patio. We had a separate raised area over here. We did all travertine. Opened this up. This was all different elevations. We made this all one elevation over here. A couple fire pits, one here, and you can see the spa area. You see the pool just awaiting interior finish. Folks, this job is beautiful. It's up here in the Cave Creek area at the boulders. Just looks stunning. Can't wait to show it off. Can't wait to get that water in it and fire this bad boy up and get it going. We're excited. We love projects like this. It was very intricate. You can see the area that we had to come in so we can do the excavation, do the shotcrete, and get this spa installed. And as you can see now, it looks like it was always there from the very beginning, and that's the goal. Michael Sandoval, Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Keep winning.